everyone, welcome to Dollar Tree Tuesday. So I feel like it's been a while since I did a haul, and it might have been a couple of weeks, but today's haul is all about organization with a few fun things thrown in there. So if you guessed where I went shopping yesterday, you guessed right if you guessed the Dollar Tree. So my sister-in-law took me to Dollar Tree. She told me I had $25 to spend, and she's been working so hard with me to help me get my craft room organized. And I decided, that organization would be first and foremost. So I have another haul for you later, but not today. But today I want to share with you some organizational ideas and some things I'm going to be doing, like I said, with a few fun things thrown in there. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing, since it's sitting on the desk. Oh, by the way, I've already filmed this once before, but I had too much fun on my birthday, and I loaded up my camera with pictures, and I forgot to store them to my cloud and stuff, and it cut off halfway. So I apologize if something's been open, but, you know, it's still the same. So first thing I got was one of these little garbage cans. I love them. I had one before when I moved, and it kind of got messed up. I threw it away. So I got me another one, and I'll tell you what I'm using this for. This is going on the corner of my table in my craft room. And when I have the scraps of paper that are too big to throw away, but not big enough to fit like flat in a basket or whatever, I'm just putting them in here. And then I'll come up with a little storage solution after, probably a Ziploc bag to put them in. But this is going to be handy. It's sitting right on my desk, and so I'll have that. Then I picked up two of these baskets. These are going to go out into my hallway in a little bin to help separate some things. It's one of those special deals you get two for $1 instead of one. Then, whoops, ooh, mercy, avalanche. I found some clear boxes with pink lids. So these are totally clear. I like them because I like being able to see through things. So I'm going to be replacing some things that I can't see through with these. I'm going to sort of storage like this, except for my stamps and things, because I like having a lid on it. I like things being secured, and I like being able to see what's in there. I had so many decorative boxes that I love, and I'm going to be using them for decorative pieces. They're just not practical to store things in because you can't see what's inside of them. Some of them are huge, and yeah. So I got 3 of these with the pink lids. I may go back and pick some more up. I'm not sure yet. Then, let me pull this out here. Okay, y'all, this is the cutest thing ever. I found some more collapsible storage containers for my bin outside, my drawer thing outside. Y'all, look at this. How stinking cute is this? Now, let me show you without the glare, because I did pull one out earlier. This is what it looks like on the front. And it's got these cute little pom-poms over it. It opens up, and it has, you know, it's just like the regular storage cube. It has a lot of storage. This is going on the bottom shelf because it's too big for the top ones. But look at this. Isn't this cute? Now, they had these in different colors. They had them with black and then the multicolor pom-poms. I think they were like pink and bluish, green, and that kind of sort of thing. Didn't really match what I'm doing here. And they had them in a gray with the multicolors. But they only had the black and white, which I really love this look. So I picked up 3 of those. And I can't wait to use those. Now, in the school section, I picked up some of these little pencil pouches. Now, you know, if you've seen an earlier video of mine, you know that I've used these pencil pouches and a big notebook binder, and I was putting all my colored pencils in there to get them organized. Well, I was watching Lollipalooza's channel the other day, and she was using these to put gemstones in, like the little packages that you get of like little gems and like little gem stickers and things like that. Things like, do I have one over here for an example? Yeah, things like this. Now, of course, I would take this out and probably cut it in half to stick in here. So then just added some little rings to it, and it becomes like a little book of these, and keeps it all nice together and neat. Now, I'm probably going to go back and get some more of these, but I only picked up a few. Like I said, I only had $25 to spend, so, but I wanted to pick up a few of these. And on the side of my white cabinet are little holes in there, and I'm going to find a little JPEG and hang this on the side, so that way it'll be handy for me, and I'll know where it is, but it'll be put away. And so I'll probably get several more of these because I have quite a lot of those little sticker packets. So I love this idea. This is a great idea to stick anything in, like, you know, I wouldn't stick loose gems and things like that in it, of course, but I mean, the possibilities are limitless. Like I said, I've already used them to store color pencils in. They would be great to store, like, maybe open packages stickers, like you used a half a pack of stickers or whatever. Stick them in here. Or the little, like, planner stickers. They would go in here, the little books. So I'm really excited about using those. Then, I picked up, you know, Wednesday I'm doing my Christmas in July because it's the last day. But I found these new jars at Dollar Tree. Look at the shape of these things. Is that not lovely? It almost reminds me of a hurricane lamp or something. So I picked up 2 of these for a little project that I'm going to do. And my candles, my red candles, are in my Christmas storage in my little utility room. And they are piled in boxes, and I was not going through them. So I picked up 2 of these little candles to go with it. So this is going to be a really easy DIY project for Christmas in July. So I picked that up. Picked up 2 of them. Then just some non-general stuff. I picked up the crystal gel, this stuff right here. I like this stuff. It works just as well for me as the other stuff does. So I picked that up. And there was something else I picked up that I really wanted to share with you. And oh, here it is. Okay, so on the health and beauty aisle, I found something that just like kind of floored me a little bit. On YouTube, you know how you get your commercials and stuff. On YouTube, and I've seen it on Facebook as well, and some other things, they have this little roller. And it's to promote circulation and blood circulation and collagen production and all that stuff. And it was like, you know, you click on it to look at it, and it goes, but wait, don't click off. Just for you today, it's not $60. It's not $40. It is only $29.95. And I laughed because, you know, we are all used to that kind of gimmick. And so, but walking down the aisle, I looked at this and I thought, oh my goodness, this looks the exact same thing, the exact same product. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's the exact same company. I found a jade roller for $1. This is called Pro Tools, and it's by a company called Best Accessory Group, mybeautyspot.com. And I'm pretty sure I saw this on mybeautyspot.com. But this is a jade roller. And it's a natural, it says it's a natural stone. And this is the stone, and this part is a stone. And it's to rub on your face, and it's supposed to promote, like, circulation. And it's cold. I really like that. But let me read it to you. It says, Pro Tools by My Beauty Spot Jade Roller. Improve blood circulation, elasticity, and skin tone. Reduces puffiness and wrinkles. Reveals skin's natural radiance. Tighten, soothe, and minimize skin pore size. Pro Tools Jade Roller by My Beauty Spot has the unique motion of a 360-degree rotating ball, which promotes blood circulation, relaxation of muscles and nerves, and eliminating eye fatigue. It says, start out with a clean face, apply skin serum, moisturizer, or mask, and start rolling. And then it says, though the stone is naturally cold, to intensify the experience, cool a stone in the freezer or on ice once applied to the skin. The stone's temperature drop will stimulate circulation, ridding the body of harmful toxins and stimulating collagen production. And it does say this product is not for use by children, but I just thought that was really cool. Now, I am going to do a little tester on it. You know, I have my doTERRA serum and moisturizers and stuff. And I'm going to test this out and let you guys know how it works. But I was thrilled to get that because I didn't pay $60 or $40 or even $29.99. I paid $1. And that's pretty cool to me. So that's one item that I got that really wasn't organization or anything. Now the other item I got for organization, and like I said, I apologize, it's already open, but I picked up this calendar. It is a calendar. Now this is a dry erase calendar. It comes with a dry erase pencil, and it's undated, and you roll it out and stick it on a wall. And I love it. It's you can't tell, but it's gradiated colors. So it goes from light to dark. And it is dry erasable. And then it comes with 2 sheets of these vinyl stickers that go on it. So they stick and peel. Like this. You get 2 sheets. It's kind of like planner stickers. I mean, when you look up at it up close, you can tell the difference. But it has the holidays, bills due, party, you know, vacation. I need a vacation. Anybody want to contribute to my vacation fund? But like reminders, just everything like a little planner would have. And I thought that was just the coolest thing ever. So I don't know where I'm going to hang this up yet. I don't know if it'll be in my craft room. It might not be because I want to... I mean, it's getting full in here, but I might be hanging it up, you know, in my bedroom or somewhere. But I'm going to hang it up and use it. It's undated, so it can be used at any time. Then, in the kitchen section, I picked up a silicone sink strainer like this. This is going to be used in my kitchen sink, but I actually picked up 2 of these, because I want to use this with some acrylic painting techniques and stuff as well. So, dual purpose. One is for crafting and one is for the sink. So, yeah, stay tuned. We'll see something like that. Also in the kitchen sink, also in the kitchen area, these towels and stuff have been gone for the longest time. But I did find someone, you know, I have the beach theme. And so this one says, you know, the family... Faith, family, and friends. Here's this one. This is what it looks like. I found these, and I just, you know, of course I had to pick them up. Because, you know, after a while they get dingy and stuff. And they did have some cute towels and stuff in there. They had different sayings on them in the bathroom section as well. They had new shower curtains that rub-a-dub-dub and lather, rinse, and repeat and that kind of stuff. But the quality of those towels, they're very thin. They're just for decoration. I do like these kitchen towels because they're the terry cloth kind of like, and they do actually work. They work better after you wash them one time first. And I usually wash mine anyway before I start using them. So, but I like these, and I use them all the time. So I was really happy to find some replacements for those. What else? Okay, a couple of other fun things. One is, you know the little wooden ball things that we all went crazy over? I did anyway. I bought a whole store out a year or so ago. But I needed some tiny ones, and I couldn't find them. They are back in the store, friends. They have all the sizes. They are packaged a little different. Now, I remember when I first got these, I think I got like 6 or 7 for $1. Now we're only getting 4. And then the big ones came like 3 or 4. I think the largest ones come in a 3-pack now, and the medium size come in a 4-pack. So, yeah. But still, I needed them, so I got them. Then, I found a new Paris sticker. It's one of the new dollar decorations. And, of course, it is through Greenbrier. But look how cute these are. This one says, Paris is always a good idea. And I love the sophistication of it, I guess. It's not, I mean, it's very demure. It's very, I mean, it's just that light pale pink with the gold. I think it's so pretty. So that's the front side. And this is the back side. Look how gorgeous that is. I'm thinking these would be lovely inside of a journal or something. And then it has the words glow and sparkle. I know somebody would like the sparkle sign. Hi, Michelle. So anyway, I picked that up. And that's going to be, I'm going to put this on my, I don't know. Okay, I really want to do another Paris journal. This would be so pretty on a cover of a journal. So I may have to go back and get another one of these for a journal. But I want to put this on my cabinet now. So, and then the last thing I picked up were some cute socks. You guys know I'm obsessed with Dollar Tree socks. I love them. I wear them all the time. And just look at this one. How stinking cute. The little bulldog with the glasses on. Oh my gosh, how cute are those? And, you know, pink and black is one of my favorite color combinations. Then you get 2 pairs for $1. And then this is what the back one looks like. It's black with pink polka dots. So cute. So, I think, let me look around. Let me make sure. Yep. I think that is my haul for today. Like I said, I'll have another haul for you. They're putting fall things out. I did not really get anything for the fall, and we may go do a shop along or take you along in the store. My main store is still letting me video, so the thing is they didn't put out anything that I didn't already have tons of. So particularly flowers. So that's pretty much all I saw was the flowers and pumpkins and things like that. I don't have any pumpkins, but I do have plenty of flowers. But you know, I just didn't see anything new. They haven't got their signs out or anything like that. I know those things are being put out in some stores. I've seen them on some videos, but not in my store. So, we wait. Anyway, but I'm not picking up anything that I don't need or, you know, that I already have. So that's when I said I'll just take you along with me one day and we'll look and see. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Let me know what your favorite thing was down in the comment section. And if you have ideas for some of the things that I got today, let me know. Alright, thank you for watching and I will see you all later. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there if you've not done so. And don't forget to tap the bell. Alright, see ya. Bye.